Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So guys, today my lecture is on solving a biological method. Solving a biological problem. So first of all, we will study about biological method. What is biological method and what is biological problem? I will also tell you. So the question about living thing that provides us that provide us problems is a biological problem. That problem is that can be anything like malaria was. When the malaria came, it was also a biological problem. So first, biologists take steps for solving these biological problems. I will also tell you about these steps, but first our topic is biological method. So in biological method, the scientific method in which biological problems are solved is termed as biological method. In solving a biological problem, the steps that are taken for solving a biological problems are recognition of biological problem. First of all, recognition of biological problem. So then observation. First scientists study about what is a biological problem, and they recognize that, and after that biologists made observation about that these problems and biological problem, and then they made makes hypothesis formulations, and then they made deductions. In deductions we use the logic of if and then, like if the door is open, then it will be like this. So there is the use of if and then in the sentence. So it was the use of if and then in deductions. So then experiments. After these all things, scientists do the experiments about the problems, and then they take its solution and the summarization of results. It is the summarization. In summarization, the scientists announce the result, and then in some talks, international and national talks, they report the results, and then reporting of result. It is also like that the scientists tell it in universities, colleges, and in books, scientific books like this. So what is recognition of biological problem? A biological problem, it is telling that what is biological problem. So biological problem is a question that is about living things, that a biologist thinks by his own mind, or someone asks from biologist. If like when malaria came, the scientists biologists thought about malaria, and then they first of all made observations about malaria. First they recognized the biological problem. That the biological problem, what is the biological problem? The biological problem was malaria. So then they made observations. So like from which thing, like what is malaria, if from which thing malaria comes, they just observes it. So they observed like the marsh water is the cause of malaria, but they didn't know from which thing marsh water is getting malaria. So in marsh water, the scientists didn't know where is the malaria coming in marsh water. Then they made hypothesis. It is also like they thinks by their own self, not any experiments. And now observations. Observations are made with five senses of vision, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. In observation, first of all, vision. If there is something happening around us, so first we will watch that what is happening. So if I watch on this copy, so there is written observation. So I am observing it, that there is written observation. So then hearing. If you are listening my lecture, So you are also observing my lecture and you are hearing about the lecture what I am saying, and then smell. Like if there are food, I will take example of food. So when we eat food, or if someone cooks food, and then after one day he is going to eat the food. So first he will smell that food is right or not. He is also smelling to food that to know that the food is able to eat or not. He is checking that the food is not expired. So he is also making a observation. So in test, after it he will test the food. He will test food that is it is right. If he could not check it from smell, he will also, after smelling, if he thinks that it is right, he will test small amount of food to know that it is right or not, it is not expired. So he will test it. And then touch. If like something I touch, I know about that what, how is it is. Like this wood, if I touch this wood, I know about that it is hard, the wood is hard. So and then I know that wood is hard, so I touch it, I knew about this, then I continue. And so it was our lecture. I will tell the other three in my next lecture. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.